didn't fall in. I was hoping he would. What's wrong? Is it cold?
Yeah, it's wrong.
He said it's cold, but we'll see. Woo!
I cannot feel my feet anymore.
It is very cold. Are you sure you're gonna get all the way in?
Yeah.
You're crazy, dude.
I was ready to do.
Do it! Ah! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! How can you do that?
Oh, this is nice.
You're gonna get a heart attack. Yep. You just did that. I don't know if I'm up for it. That is Duco! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, dude.
Look how pretty.
Oh, alright.
Sexy beast.
No. Oh my gosh, my feet are tingling. Okay. Oh,
This is nice, huh?
good. It's actually not that hot, which is kind of nice.
Yeah, it's not too hot.
Yeah.
It's just like, but the same hot you would do in your own bed.
Yeah.
The water is like wet, and then I was just surprise.
Yeah.
Do the hair flake. Oh, that was difficult.